Hey guys, right, so again tonight we're heading over into Torrevieja, Florida again, and we're going to try this place. We've had it on the cards for ages, just because they keep a bit weird hours for cooking wise. We've never got around to it. It's called Necochea, and it's kind of like an Argentinian type barbecue place, so hopefully all the food should come out. We should get like a set meal for two with sort of like grilled meats, so we're hoping it will come out on one of these little tabletop barbecues and you get to cook it yourself there. So yeah, so that's where we're heading tonight. And like I say, if you don't know where it is, it's pretty much next door to the St. James's Gate over in Torrevieja, Florida. And like I say, we'll work out what the hours are when we get there, but it's a Saturday night tonight, so we know they start cooking from about 7:30, but during the week it's a bit funny hours. They're not open. Well, they're open all day, but they're not necessarily open for cooking, so we'll have a look when we get there and see what's what. So this is over in the Florida area, so that's the Great Greek that we're always going into. Lovely place and lovely food on there. Ironically, someone decided that it would be a great idea to open up a Greek restaurant right opposite another Greek restaurant, and it didn't really kind of work out for them. So that there's the Bombay Palace, which is the Indian that we use. Pretty much next door to that you've got the new St. James Gate, or the new James Gate, St. James Gate, yeah, which actually closed at the moment, quite unusually. It's normally open, but the place we're going to is right next door to it, and it's got a big like outdoor barbecue in that, so we're hoping they scoop some of the embers off that onto little barbecues so that you can sit and eat. And it's Necochea, which is one of these Asado grill type places. I don't know if you can see it, but that big grill out there will be fired up later on, and they'll start cooking all the meat and everything on there, so that's where we'll be going. But we're just going for a beer first down in the Torrevieja, Florida. So, yeah, that's the Greek there. The Greek is always super busy. There's always people in there eating. It's only really early at the moment. It's only just gone like 5:30, so there's not many people out, but that will be absolutely rammed, and you'll have to book tables to get in there later on. Voilà.
One photo. Con la máquina no. Mejor de ahí de adelante.
Right, so we're in Necochea and we've just got the menu. The guy was that was just the guy outside who was getting the big barbecue fired up, so I'm unsure. I've got a feeling they may actually cook all the meat outside and then bring it into you cooked. We'll have to wait and see. Other places we've seen they do it where they bring the meat in on little mini barbecues that sit on your table, so that was kind of what we're hoping for, but we'll have to just wait and see what we get. So we'll have a look at the menu in a minute. It's quite it's all grilled meats basically, grilled meats with chips and stuff like that. You can get different sauces, chimichurris, Creole sauces and stuff like that as well. So we'll stop it and we'll turn around and let you have a look at the menu. Right, so this is the menu. It's all kind of like grilled barbecue meats and things like that. So we're probably going to be going for that one, which is 2 persons. So it says beef gizzard, Creole sausage, Bavara flank steak, blood sausage, roasted corn on the cob with chips and salad. To 2 people, that's 44.9 euros. So call it 45 euros. So, and then you've got your sauces on the bottom. So lots of different stuff on there, but it is all barbecued and grilled meats. Now we'll have to find out what the opening hours are. I'll drop a link showing exactly where the place is, but we'll have to find out exactly where the opening hours are, because I know the hours when they do the barbecuing. They're open all day long, but I know the hours when they do the barbecuing is a little bit mixed. So we've actually gone for the barbecue, the sort of grilled meats for 2 people, which comes with a load of stuff, but she's whipped the menu away, so I can't actually remember what's on there. There's a lot of beef on there, basically, Argentinian beef, things like that. We'll just have to wait and see. So I think it's all going to be cooked outside on the big Asado grill outside, and then brought in, and then we'll just have to wait and see. A little bit unsure. So Right, so the bread has turned up and also the sauces. There's a chimichurri sauce, which is I think the one on the right, and a Creole sauce, which is the one on the left, with bread, and then another different accompaniment. So wait and see what the meat turns up when it turns up like. Right, so our plate has turned up, so we assume that the grilled meats will be coming over shortly as they've cleared the decks. So along with your plate of grilled meat, beef, you get chips and a bit of side salad to go with it as well. So lovely.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. So
If you want another piece of meat, like cooked on a bit more, I'll just take it away.
Cheers, thank you.
So that's how the meat turns up. It's on like a, you probably can't see it, but just in there's a few sort of coal embers. It's pretty warm, yeah. So we'll get stuck in a minute and have a look, see what it's like. So there's some, I think these are the beef ribs, judging by the fact it's got bones in it and whatnot. So there's varying bits of steak, Argentinian sausages. I think that's obviously that one there in the corner. There, that one's going to be a blood sausage of some description, some corn. So it does smell absolutely amazing. So we'll get some off and try it in a minute. Right, so that's obviously beef rib because it's got the bone in it. I'm assuming that must be the flank steak. That's the Argentinian sausage. So there is still stuff left on the little mini barbecue, which is keeping everything warm. So we're going to get stuck in and give it a try. And the meat, you just basically tell them how you want your meat done, so whether you want it medium or whatever. They've got a little chart that they show you that shows how the meat's done. And if you want it cooked a little bit more, you can either leave it on there for a little bit longer, or they will chuck it back onto the grill outside for you to cook for a little bit longer. So that piece there, that is the flank steak. That is absolutely amazing. It's gorgeous. So's the rib of beef. A strange cut, I've never had the rib of beef like that before, but again it's very nice. And that is the Argentinian sausage, which again is very nice. So yeah, it's all pretty good so far, you can't really complain. Right, so the meat's lovely, very, very tasty, but if I come back again I would probably go for the next one up over the one we've done. So we've done like the €45 one, which was flank steak, beef rib, a bit they call gizzard, which I'm really unfamiliar with, but nothing wrong with it. It's not like a gizzard's normally like chicken gizzard, something like that, but quite tasty, very nice. But I think the cuts of meat on the one that we've gone for are just a bit chewy for my liking. And they will cook them exactly how you like them, so just tell them what you like and what you want to go for. We went for medium. Now, personally, I would say medium out here is more like rare back home. So if you want medium, UK medium, I would say ask for medium well, because it does come up a little bit under, which is not a problem because they're great here and the service is fantastic. They just go back out and they chuck it back onto the back on the grill that's outside, so they just cook it a bit more for you, so that's no problem at all. The Creole sausages, again, the Creole sausage is a lovely flavour to them, really, really nice, but the skin's a little bit thick, a little bit chewy, so next time round, and you can just get normal steaks and stuff like that on the menu. Next time round, I would probably go for the, I think it was it, Sarah, what was the next menu up? Was it 55 euros?
So 60.
Or was it might be 60 euros, but that's got more like the sort of fillet steaks and stuff like that on it, so probably slightly better cuts of meat rather than just the normal ones. So again though, all very nice, really fresh and lovely flavour, because it's been cooked outside on the Asado grills. Then obviously you get the smoke and all that sort of thing that comes with it, so yeah, definitely come back and give it another try again. So the sauces, that one there, that's the chimichurri sauce. That is like quite ferocious. Obviously a lot of fresh veg and stuff like, not fresh veg, fresh herbs in it, stuff like that. And that one there's the Creole sauce. Now I was expecting, I don't know why, I was expecting quite a sort of sweet type sauce, but it's not. It's very mild, much more mild than what the chimichurri is. So again, lovely sauces, and you can pile them all over the meat and stuff like that as well, which is all really good. So